Welcome to our guide on how to export budgets in Excel format in Docket. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. To generate a budget report, begin by selecting Business Reports from the menu. Then click on Budget and Forecast to proceed. To access additional options, click on the ellipsis menu, 3 dots, and choose Edit from the menu that appears. A dialog box will appear, displaying the name and period of the budget. Click on the Continue button to proceed. To export the budget as an Excel file, go to the Budget page and click on the ellipsis menu. From the options that appear, select Export as Excel. A notification will appear informing you that an Excel file of the budget will be created in the Data Export section of Docket. Click on the Data Export link in the notification. When the Data Export page opens, click on the ellipsis menu located in front of the budget row and then choose the Download option. A notification confirming the successful download of an Excel file containing the budget will be displayed on your screen, and you will be able to access and save it on your computer. To import a budget file in Docket, click on Import and upload the Excel file. And there you have it. You have now learned how to export budget in Excel format in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.